One Day Riddim was one of the hottest juggling projects 16 years ago, and it helped launch producer Seanizzle to another level. Seanizzle is here to give us the backstory behind that project in our FiWi Culture segment. And welcome to our FiWi Culture segment.
Thanks for having me on the program.
Excellent. So for today, one reason about the One Day Riddim. What inspired the One Day Riddim?
So one Friday evening, I went to a car wash on the foot of Red Hills Road. I normally go and wash my vehicle, and while sitting there, the dude washing the vehicle. In my own world, I wash the vehicle and he just stop and say, Jano, a man like me now can buy a clocks.
Even though things well ration, still buy lucky 5 big tree and Japan. Down a town on my shop for my fashion.
Some reason that resonate with me different. And over the weekend now, I find myself, it just a pop up. So Sunday morning around 6 a.m, jump out of my bed. I just walk into the studio, I just turn on the computer and just start making the rhythm.
Yeah.
And while making the rhythm, the words start to fall at the same time, and I just run going at the booth with just the strings and just record whatever came to my mind, and what came was the One Day song.
Yeah. How did you choose the artist to voice on the rhythm?
I'm gonna tell you this, I never choose the artist. God chose the artist then, because when I did my song on it, I never see myself doing the song as an artist. Later down that day, Mr. G voiced his song on the rhythm. We're in the studio, Fambo just visit me. And just say I fly out, say I come give me a link before I leave.
Yeah.
Two twos, me hear the man say, Seanizzle, you're going to burn up out there. I saw the voice that sounds so familiar. When I look, no beanie man.
Yeah.
Just randomly wake up and say, yo, my energy say for check Seanizzle.
Wow. Was there anything significant about any of the recording sessions with any of the artists?
Everything about the whole project was significant. At the time, none of the artists them on the rhythm wasn't at the forefront. But every song that was recorded gave me goosebumps. Like, me just know say something special I have right here.
Pree Dis Massive, this brings us to the end of this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. But before we go, I wonder how we reach back at town. A bus or a train? What you say, Eddie?
Look like we're going to jump on the train.
Alright, I don't know when the next train off out, but find out next week if we make it. Zane, I'm Nalda Adi. This is Eddie. Take care of yourselves. We out. All about big up on yourself. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. Toured with music legends like one more time.